Jules is getting some hay. JD, Misty, that's Sunny, and that's Bon Bon over there. Alright. That's Gus. And that's that's Joey making yellow snow. Well, I didn't know what you were doing. And Sadie. Let's see Sadie again. Let's see Sadie's eyes. She's got one blue eye and one brown eye. And that's the rule here at the ranch. Because over here, here's Jules. And she has one blue eye and one brown eye. There's Sunny. All right.